Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by securing your data and confirming power. First, backup documents, desktop, and pictures to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. This matters because reset erases user files. Once done, plug in the charger or ensure battery is at least 50% to avoid interruption. Next, note your Asus model and Windows version. This lets you pick the correct recovery partition or USB image. Now, restart the machine to access recovery options. We'll move into the reset flow. You'll use Windows and Asus tools to perform the reset. First, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery, and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. This boots recovery options. Once there, select Troubleshoot, then reset this PC, and choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. Choose Full Removal for resale or thorough cleanup. If the built-in recovery partition is damaged, make sure you have an Asus Recovery, USB, or Windows Install Media ready. That allows rebuild. You'll finish by letting the process complete and verifying system health. Follow all on-screen prompts. The reset will reinstall Windows and reboot several times. This is normal. Once you reach the desktop, run Windows Update and download Asus drivers from support to ensure hardware functions correctly. If you encounter errors, boot into safe mode to diagnose, or use your recovery USB to attempt repair. If recovery repeatedly fails, contact Asus support with your model and error codes so they can provide targeted tools or a replacement image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.